किरण लगाए रोल
Guys, quickly, don't waste time. Now tell us about your experience. Homes, please, Nietzsche. Well, what to say? I think I'm honored. Others gave me this opportunity to walk for Lakme Fashion Week. This is my first ramp walk for Lakme Fashion Week. His label is Osa by Adarsh, and I am honored, Adarsh. You know, I've always been his fan, his collection. And if I talk about this dress, I mean, I just love this outfit. He's actually known for his, abstract work, different intricacy, and it's unique the way he designs his clothes. I want others to speak up a little and tell us more, elaborate a little more about the outfit and your work.
In fact, I will elaborate about you. From Bahu to Khatro Ki Khiladi to Big Boss contest and the most stylish actress award by the HT, you know. So, and she is a youth and inspiration for a lot of people and to me also.
Thank
so
you.
that is, I think, the designer and the muse are meeting at one platform. And about the work that you can see that multi-color applique and the brocade weave coming together.
Yes.
Have the conversation and alignment in
Yeah.
that outfit.
Yes.
So that is how this has been created, and the name of my collection is Conversation.
Conversation.
Yes.
The name only itself defines that how in today's world we are connected but still we are disconnected in this digital age where social media is faceless and we don't connect with people. We communicate but there's no real conversation happening. So by this, I would want to turn back and see
Yes.
that the work, the detailing is fab, and I just love the outfit. And not just this one, there are a few more outfits, I just love them.
I
Others.
hope so, Hina. You always adore my outfit.
Yes, I will, for sure, and everyone else will, for sure.
Thank you so much, guys. Sorry, we need to. Thank you so much, Hina.
Thank you.
Exit
Thank
from
you.
there.
Thank you. I absolutely adored your collection. I loved it. Oh my God, it was like I didn't have to. I don't think I'm going to the gym tonight.
She's done her
I
cardio
had my
today.
bit of cardio with a couple of walks. It was like a never-ending marathon, but very, very interesting, I must say. The whole showroom edit, the whole vibe, the whole feel was very, very interesting. Thank you.
So much.
Kevin.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
It was super exciting, I think, because the whole concept was very different from how I walked earlier for Lakme. So it felt very nice. Actually, it felt very personal while walking because everybody was so close to you, and there were a few friends of mine who were there. So it actually felt quite nice because otherwise things are a little more formal, and it was not the case here, which was actually more fun, I think. So my outfit is, of course, by these two talented men who are next to me. But I think what I would like to specify here personally is, this is full cotton, it's hand-weaved cotton, and they're promoting artisans from West Bengal. And I think the beauty about it, what I was even telling them while walking, like everybody was sweating and I was like quite okay and happy because I think the cotton is so soft and it just feels so nice and light, and I think that is the USP
It's all hand-woven
with them.
cotton
Yeah.
and we're doing khadi, so we are using this, promoting this now, right, at Textile.
What's while walking the ramp?
Sorry?
What was going on in your mind while walking?
I was actually just in that frame of mind where I wanted to just enjoy myself. And the best part about it was the outfit, because I think the outfit was so nice and easy to kind of flowy. I think it worked really well. It gave me more confidence to walk properly, I think.
Apart from what upcoming
So I have one bilingual film which I've finished shooting. So hopefully that will release in this coming year. And apart from that, now settling in and getting to work. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
and that I'm walking for Varnika. But no, I wasn't scared. But the ramp was a little uneven, so I was scared. I made trip, but which didn't happen.
So what were the thoughts while you were walking the ramp?
I was just enjoying it. I was seeing such beautiful people around. I was seeing these men capture me. I am wearing such amazing clothes. Look at the jewelry which she has designed. So I was feeling like a princess.
Does this define your personal style?
No, I'm just comfortable in it.
So tell us a little bit more about your outfit.
So no, I'm going to talk about the jewelry. If you can see, she's designed it. She's been and you know, it's really bold. I think it's for women who are very bold. You know, because I wear like really less jewelry. I'm not the person who will wear so many rings and such a bold statement. But from today, Varnika, I'm going to wear bold jewelry because as an Indian woman and the color that we have, these bold jewelry and the gold color really complements us. So I guess.
Can you talk us through the stones that you've used in this jewelry? I have used a lot of semi-precious gemstones because I'm a gemologist. So I love using a lot of gemstones. Like in this, you can see a white mother of pearl. We've used quartz, we've used onyx, we've used malachite, all sorts of gemstones.
Thank you.
Thank you. Rishabh bhai. Rishabh bhai.
Tell me.
First of all, ma'am, you're looking gorgeous.
Oh, thank
So how-
you.
so
Thanks
how-
to Mahima.
So how was your experience walking the ramp?
It was a lot of fun, yeah. I love my outfit. Check it out, guys. It's vibrant. It's a lot of color. It's elegant, and there's so much drama happening with the frill. Like I had my fairy tale moment and the little girl moment twirling around on the in front of the LED. And which of course says a lot about how excited I was to walk. And I was telling Mahima backstage, I said, listen, I'm going to have fun with this. I'm going to like do the twirl and do whatever I feel like doing. So I had a lot of fun. And I think that's what the entire collection is about. It's a lot about florals and colors and elegance and drama and very, very classic. So I love that.
So what are the thoughts that's coming to mind whenever you walk the ramp for the first time? Whenever you heard?
When I walk the ramp, there is no thought that comes to my mind. I just want to have fun. That's it. And I just think about what people would be thinking looking at me. If I'm not going to be having fun, I don't think people sitting on those chairs are going to have fun either. So as long as I have fun, everybody else will enjoy it.
So what's the Suri Chala fashion like?
Keep it simple, keep it minimalistic, and keep it classic and comfort first.
What are the three things always you're going to find in a Suri Chala wardrobe?
In my wardrobe, a pair of tees or a ganji, a pair of shorts and flip-flops.
Okay, and any tips you like to give to the youngsters because many are the followers of
Just be, fashion is just about who you are, and don't try to change that, and don't try to follow the rat race as to what people are doing and what's in trend. Yes, of course, there are certain things that come in and go out of trend, but other than that, I think just be true to yourself and let that speak in the clothes that you wear and the way you dress up.
Okay, tomorrow morning only you have Akshay on air.
Today morning, yes.
And Al Bale. So what times of comment you are getting?
The reviews have been fantastic and I'm extremely happy, and the entire team at Alt is very happy because we worked very, very hard on this one, and it's slightly unique from everything else that's coming on digital space right now. So we've got some outstanding reviews which makes the entire team very happy.
Okay, other than that, Akshay, any upcoming project? Like
Yes, there's Sacred Games, Netflix, which is going to be aired on Netflix. That's going to be coming out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just a second.
And I was just hoping I don't trip. It was really electric. There was a lot of great energy in the atmosphere. It's always lovely to be at the Lakme Fashion Week, and today was special. I was walking for Pooja Shroff. I feel really lovely in this outfit. It's inspired by laces and pleats and handmade pleats. Plié dentelle.
Yes.
Yes. Very feminine, very dreamy, very princessy.
Can you take us through the outfit?
So basically, it's all laces and embroideries and pleats, like Nimrat said. It's called plié dentelle, which is a French name for pleats and laces. We've hand set the pleats on the skirt, like you can see in all the tiers, and we've picked up the most beautiful vintage laces and hand embroidered them. So that's what my collection is about, and it's all pastels and ivories and very summery and very dreamy, like she said.
Light, easy, something that your body and skin can breathe in. It gets very humid and very hot. Nothing that should stick to your skin.
Thank you.
Thank you.